People dumber than you are getting rich on LinkedIn right now. You see, LinkedIn just released a brand new feature that no one is talking about. And as you know, when a social media platform releases a new feature, they reward the first users by boosting them in the algorithm. For example, when TikTok came out, random people became famous just by being the first to post on the platform. Now, what if I told you that the exact same thing is happening on LinkedIn right now, and the people winning aren't top creators or experts? Normal people like you and me are getting tens of millions of impressions just by posting basic content. There is little to no information in this publicly right now, which means that there is no competition yet. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this opportunity won't be here forever. Now, the LinkedIn algorithm has changed drastically since you probably made your account 10 years ago. It's no longer boring updates from your ex-boss or a platform to just check out new jobs. It's moved way beyond that, playing a massive part in the creator economy. How I see it is that one post on LinkedIn is nearly the equivalent of 10 on any other platform because of the low effort. People posting on LinkedIn right now are growing 10 times faster than ever there. But the LinkedIn algorithm is like a game of cards, and you need to make certain strategic moves to win. Growth is easy if you play your cards right, and the biggest ace card of all is hidden in plain sight. Most people overcomplicate the LinkedIn algorithm. They think it's too hard to crack, but LinkedIn themselves are telling you how to win. From their multiple social media headlines to even its engineering blogs, the platform is telling you what content to post. The data nerds are going to kill me for revealing this, but I have to show you. LinkedIn's official X and Instagram headlines are specifically telling you what type of content they want to see. Their headline on social media is literally career opportunities, advice, inspiration, and community. So all you need is to be creating content that aligns with that specific thing. And not just that, but the content going viral on your feed right now proves it. But just because you now know what it wants, it doesn't mean that you know how to replicate it. And for that, I've got the second key, and all you need to do is watch. See, the top creators on the platform cracked the game long before you. They're giving you the entire playbook for free through their content. And you can learn a lot by studying their moves. From the content that they're currently posting to the content that they aren't, the style of writing they use, and the first few sentences of their posts, all the way to the secret formats they are currently using. This is what I call conscious scrolling, turning your usual social media time into something you can actually benefit and learn from. See, these creators go viral, get clients, and grow for a reason, and you need to understand why to replicate their success. So, you need to pick 20 creators and track their posts for over a month or even just 1 week if you can't wait. Look for any patterns across their accounts. What are they talking about? Why was that post interesting to you? And what type of audience are they drawing in? But most importantly, what is the type of content that they are creating? And how are they writing the copy or script of their content? Now, this is great to know, but the blue ocean opportunity that I'm talking about goes beyond mastering the algorithm. But it goes hand in hand. The opportunity I'm talking about is LinkedIn video. LinkedIn just finished rolling it out and every single user has access to it right now. They've even added its own individual video tab, almost mimicking the For You page on TikTok and the Reels page on Instagram. And here's why this is a big deal for anyone starting out. 2 years ago, LinkedIn carousels were being boosted by the algorithm. Tens of thousands of followers gained through them, but suddenly they stopped working. But I benefited massively from hopping on this trend early enough, helping me gain over 50,000 followers and becoming one of the top creators on the platform. And now, the same opportunity has come with video. And all of my creator friends who have contact directly with LinkedIn themselves are telling us that they are manually boosting videos under this criteria. First, you need to be creating videos under your main expertise or what your main field is as stated on your LinkedIn profile. You should also be sharing tutorial-based or knowledge-based information rather than just viral trends like you would on TikTok or Instagram. Posting videos like this is creating what my friend and mega growth hacking expert Taslim Ahmed calls dry views. Over the last few months, we've seen videos get up to 10 million impressions, which would be the equivalent of views, using the exact two criteria that I just mentioned. And the craziest part from this analysis to me was how low the bar is for content. The most highly edited, perfectly lit, and professionally filmed content isn't the one that's going to help you win. The content that reflects LinkedIn value as well. And I'm actually a very big fan of this because LinkedIn isn't trying to become a creator-first platform, nor does it want to. It wants to be the platform where entrepreneurs get real advice from experts and not viral creators. And to win, regardless of all of this, you need to be creating content that is business-led. And to prove this exact same theory, I just spent the last 2 weeks testing this out. From the 15 videos I posted, the top 3 were videos of me clearly explaining my topic of expertise clearly and actionably. This video that got me 5 million impressions over the last week was me explaining copywriting tips and LinkedIn growth, which is exactly what my profile states I do. And I don't think it's a coincidence. And the videos that underperformed here were the videos that have gone viral on other platforms like TikTok or Instagram, but they weren't showcasing my subject matter expertise. The difference is clear. But with all of this information, it doesn't mean that you can't go viral. You indeed can. See, LinkedIn is still a heavily text-based platform, which means that your video that you post is only half the job. The other half is in the copy above that, or what people would call the caption. And unless you know how to write good copy every single day from scratch, you'll never get to your dream goal. Which is why content templates are the one thing that ties all of this together. Because why try to reinvent the wheel and start from zero every single time when you can use validated ideas and content to speed up the process? The one main thing that I've learned over the last 2 years seeing all of these trends happen is that you can use the algo and hack it and hop on the new trends, but if you don't show up, then it won't even matter. And the easiest way to show up consistently is by taking what is already working and change 20% of it. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So here we have one of my winning templates. You can also download it down below for free. And while you're down there, please don't forget to subscribe. We're literally 1/4 of the way into our goal to hit 100,000 subscribers. And if you like these free resources and videos that take me way too long to script, then hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and it makes me feel nice. But anyways, we then take one of these proven templates and then pair it with one of the videos we currently have. And what I mean by validation is that these posts that we're using right now, they've gone viral before. So the chances of them going viral for you are higher than, starting from scratch. All we need to do now is take the template, replicate it, but based on what the context of this specific video may be. Let me show you. So here we've got a video that I'm gonna use from a podcast. And this video specifically is talking about writing and its nuances. Now, we've got the video loaded up. We're gonna go and grab one of my proven templates. So we're gonna pick template number 2, how you think you should do X instead of Y. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste the template and post it on LinkedIn. With this, I no longer have to think about what to say and no longer have to start from scratch. And all I need to do now is fill in the blanks. How you think you should write on LinkedIn? So just to rehash, what I've done here is I've taken the template, then I've taken the context of the video, and then I've added the context within the video, nothing new, and I've just filled in the blanks to make it make sense for my audience if they're just reading the copy. And then this helps further entice people to actually watch the entire video. Now, in under 4 minutes, we've got a brand new piece of content ready to go. The best part is that you can repeat this process over and over and over again, and your content won't sound the same as long as you're using them right. I've been using these 3 hacks like a maniac over the last few months, and the results speak for themselves. But as I mentioned, so much of your success on LinkedIn relies on consistency. And if you can't post every single day, you won't grow as fast as you want. So I've come up with a system to make viral content 10 times faster. And if you want to try it out, watch this video to find out what that is. See you there.